हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड ये साउथ दिल्ली का एलीट क्लास गोल्फ खेलने के लिए जेपी ग्रीन्स क्यों आता है? वेल, द आंसर लाइज in the impeccable maintenance and landscaping of this 452 acres of golf course. Hello and welcome. You are watching The Nest Story and I am Deeksha Singh Sisodia and this is a very special episode on our channel. इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्चुअली कितनी प्रोग्रेस कर चुका है और बहुत सारे लोगों को इस बात का अंदाज़ा भी नहीं है। किन बिग शॉट्स ने यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी अपने लिए घर ले लिया है, उनके नामों पर भी मैं आऊँगी, पर उससे पहले ये जान लेते हैं कि उनकी वजह क्या हो सकती है यहाँ पर इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की। Olympic size swimming pool, you have it. A helicopter base that's not just for show but actually works. All sports covered, clubhouse, children or adults, everyone has the best time training for any kind of sports they want. Grocery shopping inside the premises, mandir inside the complex. Now this place honestly doesn't feel like Greater Noida. It feels like a mega township in itself and it's still low density. वैसे तो as a YouTube channel we have to be very unbiased and neutral, but कुछ favorites तो हमारे भी हैं और इसी वजह से आज हम अपने इस favorite की list में जो हमारा top favorite आजकल चल रहा है उसे cover करने वाले हैं, which is Gor's Trecento Residences. Their Tower B has launched by the way and they do not have a lot of inventories. There are very limited units. If you want to have a bite from this piece of cake, then dial the number given on your screen. इस वीडियो के अंदर हमने पूरी टाउनशिप के ऊपर कुछ डिटेल में बात की है। अगर आप वो देखना चाहते हैं तो आप इस लिंक पर क्लिक कर सकते हैं। You want names? I'll give you some names. Mahesh Gupta, Shikhar Dhawan, Dhruv Jurel, Gul Panag, Kapil Dev, and these are just some of the elite names that have actually bought a home for themselves in this particular township. कुछ ऐसे नाम मेरे पास और हैं जो मैं अभी on camera disclose नहीं कर सकती for privacy reasons, and also press the bell icon and subscribe to The Nest Story for these interesting facts. Now let's quickly pivot to the crown jewel of JP Green's currently, which is Gor's Trecento Residence. The iconic two-tower saga begins right now. Tower A already completely sold out है, as we all know. Tower B is right now out there for you, जहाँ पर pre-launch के इस वक्त prices active चल रहे हैं market के अंदर, and that's what we are going to cover today. You will see the sample apartment that I'm standing in right now is of Gor's Trecento Residences. So let's uncover what beauty this has to offer for you. सिर्फ 2 exclusive towers offering a signature address that doesn't belong to just anyone but a chosen few. कोई hindrance नहीं है इन views में. Each weather is breathtakingly beautiful. Tower B has a height of G+30 floors and has total 60 apartments only. Exclusive, significant and rare. एक floor पर 2 units and 3 lifts. Sizes are 5,000 square feet and 5,050 square feet. 180-degree wraparound balconies हैं, which will give you the warmest hug. Fun fact about construction details. In 2015, Shapurji Palonji had already completed the initial structure. Gor's group then engaged 15 civil engineers from IIT Delhi to enhance the design and strength of the building. This involved comprehensive pillar jacketing and redesigning internal walls using ash bricks, while the outer walls were constructed with Maivan technology. Adjustments were made to ensure Vastu compliance and the overall structural integrity was significantly enhanced. Now the visits for this property are only to be done by personal invites only. That is something we have to keep in mind. अगर आप इस गॉर्स ट्रेसेंटो के मैजिक को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहते हैं, then you have to dial the number given on your screen right now. If you want to call Gors Trecento your home, then call the Nest Story first. We'll make sure you do. Thank you so much. This is Diksha Singh signing off. I'll see you in the next videos very soon. Namaskar.